Hello guys, it's me Paano and I will blogging this time about the fall trends for 2020. Since this is the fall season, I will give you guys inspiration and what is a trend this year. Guys, there is no copyright intended for this video guys, and I'm going to tackle about the trend about fall 2020. And I know for those who are interested for the decor or decorating and etc., I could say that you can find everywhere in the internet or social media about this trend, and every year and every season there have trends. And yeah, I will give you some details that I learned about fall decor. Anyway, let's get started to our topic. We're gonna talking about 7 interior trends for fall 2020, and the number one is the earthy colors. Earthy tones, it's inspired from nature. When you talk earthy tones like home decor, usually is from natural materials and natural fabrics, and the beige color is very popular on this earthy tones. First guys, you can use ceramics, porcelain like that, base or whatever is the round shapes. Guys, we're gonna get 1970s inspirations of interior, and this is look like this. Maybe this one is my favorites guys. It's very easy. You just take a coffee, a mug or a coffee glass like that. You heard guys the Japanese interior designs. This is a Japanese combination of Japan and Scandinavian design. Did you remember guys when you were wearing a corduroy before, a corduroy pants? And this is a Manchester as popular as now. Yun na po guys, natapos po natin yung 7 trends na yan guys. Kung ano man po yung decor nyo sa bahay nyo, kung ano meron po kayo, it's yun pa rin po yung most beautiful things, as long as you're happy with it and you are feel comfortable and relax in your home. So I'm not saying this guys you're gonna do this like that, because follow the trend guys, it's up to you if you want it to like follow, or you can have your own choice as if in your home. Yun na nga guys, for those who are interested to decorate home like that, I will sharing some videos after this guys, this coming Halloween guys, and this of course the Christmas decor also. I'm gonna do it, hopefully I have much energy to do it so I can share with you guys also. And yun na nga po guys, this time I will doing guys, kumuha po ako ng mga dry leaves or dry plants sa nature po. Ayan, makikita nyo po sa dry leaves since it is fall seasons guys. And I add some that the fresh flower, and galing po yan sa forest. Kinuha ko lang po yan, makikita nyo po, iba-iba po. And as you can see guys, the color is very natural, neutral color, because it can combine and it create it's very suiting the color, and I love it. And yeah, hopefully I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look in my living room once I done doing decorating it. So hopefully mai-share ko din po sa inyo, no? Pasensya na po kayo sa English ko, balik-baliktad talaga. Ayan. Tinatry ko po sa base, guys, kung saan po siya nababagay. If you want to look up for inspiration, is for my case, I used to go outside and to see the beautiful nature we have during the fall season. This video is taken early in the morning and still fogging outside, and it's so beautiful. I really love nature as my inspiration. Guys, kung gusto nyo pong matuto how to decorate your home as beginners, as like me, I'm also a beginners, but I'm very interested in this interior decor. So i-try nyo po, guys, is to learn the basic how to decorate, and I will vlogging more about it in the future. Hopefully I can improve my vlogging technique. Thank you very much, guys, for this time, and thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, I will link down below, guys, my playlist about home decor, and see you for my next videos. Thank you very much and take care.